Okay guys, hope you all are fine. Today we will talk about the very important problem which usually occurs with the phones and how can we prevent that. And that problem is the phone overheating problem, and what are the various fixes one can apply for that. Well, there are various reasons by which phone overheating can occur, and if you experience the problems, it would result in improper shutdown or even battery drainage takes place as well. So there could be various reasons why overheating of phone occurs. First of all, if you're exposing your phone to the high temperatures, it would definitely result in the overheating of the phone. And if you have many apps running at a time or in the background, that can also result in the overheating of the phone. And if you keep your phone on charger, even if it's charged at 100%, then it will again result in the overheating of the phone. So those are the things. And if you use your phone for longer durations, that can also result in the phone problem. The other thing which you can do is don't expose your phone to hot environments. That also leads to the overheating of the phone. The other thing which you can do is take your phone case off. When you take the phone's case off, the phone will dissipate the heat to the environment, and that way your phone will cool down to some extent. The other thing which you can use is you have to switch to the airplane mode. That way, in airplane mode, you are actually using the phone at there won't be so many apps running at the same time in the background, so you can use your phone at that time and you can use the essential services of your phone. And if there would be some apps, you can uninstall the apps which you're not using right now, so that from overheating as well. And always don't try to keep your phone low on memory. Always free some space for the applications to work properly. That may also result in the overheating of the phone. And the other thing which you can do, use phone cleaner usually to clear cache and that way you can clear unwanted data from your phone. That will also result in cooling your phone as well. So those are some fixes which you can apply for the overheating problem. If you like the video, this would give you some respite from the overheating. Press the subscribe button to get more videos like this, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Subscribe, click on the link below. Thank you.